everybody. This is Ernie. I hope everybody's had a wonderful day and still having one. This is one of the best days we've had in a long time. Actually been able to get a little work done the last 2 days. Been doing a little bush hogging. I was going to give you a little bit of a tractor tour. This part right here we hope to get fenced in this year. Put maybe a cow on it or just let the goats run on it. The part I'm going to show you in a minute is the part we got the spreader for, and you can see how the land, how it lays, how it all goes downhill. It's real hard to get a tractor trailer in on this road. It's real curvy back behind me, and it's really hard to get a tractor trailer in here, let alone a spreader truck, because where we go be going through down there, they'd probably flip. So hang on, enjoy the tour. Okay, we down here a little ways. I just wanted to show you. You can see the brown out there. That's where the broom straw was. I bush hogged this today. And again, you can see how the land goes down. I've got to work on that part down in there at the bottom. It's real tricky. When I pull that spreader through, I don't flip it. Me too. But we'll be putting a lot of chicken litter, a lot of compost on this, a little bit of lime, and bringing it back. That's what I want to show you right here, so the tour continues. Goes my grandson. He loves to ride his bike out here, as long as it's downhill. The uphill part ain't too fun. We're constantly going to be trying to clear and thin a lot of the trees out and keep improving the pastures. Like I said, that's one reason we invested in that spreader. This part right here can be real tricky to cross. That's actually a spring. In real wet weather, that right there, you can't hardly drive through it, but we deal with it best we can. Here we go, up, up, up. This area I've been working in here trying to widen that road, make it more level and wider, so when I pull that spreader through, we don't wind up one of them gullies, we hope. This area here, there goes a hawk. Wonderful. This area here, we've been clearing on this for a few years. We're trying to get grass to grow, some browse, what have you. Goats. We may put a cow or two out here. We ain't decided yet. And then to your left, all them trees down through there, that's some we'll be thinning out. We do have water at the bottom, which is a good thing. We got water back of the property, but you can see the need of some fertile compost chicken litter on this ground, and this is the area I just can't get a spreader truck in, so we decided to invest in the spreader, and we're going to be trying it out probably a week, 2 weeks. They got tons of days of rain, moving back in 2 days, but we'll film that and show you that too. Okay, here we go again. I think I'm going to do a bunch of videos on the tractor tool, because I told y'all one thing about I want to do is not only to try to teach a little bit and offer some stuff, but show you what we're doing and why and how we're doing it, and where I'm moving this dirt to is to fix that pig trail where I don't flip the tractor and the spreader. I got my grandson there, Badoo. He's going to look and make sure. It's hard to tell up here when I get a good full bucket sometimes. So I'm going to have to turn it up. Alright, here we go back and try to put some more on that depth trap. I don't know how this is going to be. I've never done this. The sound, I do got a mic. I'm going to crank it down low RPM and get up there and show you what I'm doing. Again, what we're trying to do is widen this where I can make that turn with that spreader. I done showed you the spreader, but you see that big old freaking gully? That's what I'm trying to eliminate a little bit. It's just going to take time and practice and trial and error. I gotta learn to keep my finger out of the way. Sorry about that, y'all. But I'll get some more dirt and I'll just keep working it in there and driving on it, and hopefully we'll take that corner out right there. We're going to take you on another part, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to be cutting them pine trees down. So try to get to it today, but I'm going to get that pig trail fixed whenever the weather's flipping. I can get some chicken litter on this, red litter on this ground before things start growing. But all through the woods there, there's some decent pine trees, and my guy told me I gotta have about 15 or 20 logs for to bring that sawmill out. So that's what I'll be working on. But you can see a couple down in there. I don't know how well you can tell on video, but there's a couple miles and I just got to figure out how to get the crazy things down and get them pulled up and get them back up the back where he's going to swallow. This little area right here, you can see all the leaves on the ground. That's the part of the area I'm going to open up, get more sunlight in here, less leaves, and grow more grass. This comes to the end of this pasture. You can see the braces. Maybe you can, if you think you will in a minute. And then on beyond that is where I'm going to maybe have a few sows and a boar this coming year. You see the big old tarp thing, that's called a haunted hollow that Fairview put on last year, and I put on the haunted trail. It's so cool, so fun, met a lot of awesome people. There's one of my barns I'm working on. That's why we're going to use some of that wood on the cut. That's the goat barn. When I put them in this pasture, this lot I've been showing you, they'll stay in here about 4, 5, 6 months. Okay, y'all. I'm off the tractor now. I want to show you what I did. You may not can tell much, but I got a little more to do on that right side. But over here, you can look how I've extended the width. So I would feel confident, just like it is, maybe a little smoothing out, ain't even too much worried about that. Then I can get my spreader through to out yonder. Ain't that cool? But I did put a lot of dirt in here. I added probably at least another 2 foot width. That started way back over here, or over here. But I wouldn't be scared to pull that spreader through, load it down with what I've got right now. All right, y'all. Well, this is Ernie with Vaughn-Da-Rosa Farms, showing you what we're doing, showing you what we got, showing you where we at, and showing you how we're doing it. And like I always say, take time to smell the roses. Y'all have a good one. See ya. See, there's another way we take time at the end of the day. Take time to smell the roses. Have some fun. Thanks for what you got. Got 2 fires on up here for them. I'm getting that cleaned up. And from we got a 4-wheeler. Time to boy. Gotta have fun. Gotta have fun. Don't worry about everything. Well, you got a way to have some fun. Alright, that's a little added footage. See y'all.